Hey, this is Cam for Investors Underground and I'm bringing you the trading highlights from the 11th of April 2014. We've had quite a lot of selling off in the markets and Nate and I thought we'd bring you a special video today with some live screen capture of Nate trading in the first 30 minutes of the morning. Not only are you going to see Nate call out his plan for the trades in the morning, but you're going to be able to see him scale in and out of them live in the Investors Underground chat room, as well as seeing his fills and the charts move in real time. As always in the morning, Nate condenses down his scan into a handful of stocks that he's most interested in trading in that morning session. And as you can see him typing around a minute before the opening bell, he singles out 3 stocks, FB, CSIQ, QIHU, as his 3 main interests for trading in the morning. We recorded the screen capture in HD, so it might be a good idea here just to change the quality up to HD and full screen it so that you're going to be able to see all the text and numbers and entries and exits as well a little better. As Nate previously typed out, he's interested in buying washouts on these 3 stocks. And this is a really good video to show you Nate's style when he's looking to scalp around bounce plays with relatively small share sizes, and he shows you the way that small gains can really add up to a nice morning. So as you can see, the opening bell is rung and these stocks are starting to move a little faster. And not only is he calling out his trades, but he's also giving our subscribers an idea of his plan and the way to trade the action. As you can see from the top right hand box, he's filling more of his orders and getting into more positions. And he's also got orders waiting to be able to exit if there's a fast move in his direction. And it looks like Nate got one of those fast moves and filled out half of his shares on Facebook. Locking in the rest of it for an average gain of 61 cents per share on 1,000 shares traded. So he made about 600 bucks on that trade. And this video is totally unedited. The only thing I've done to it is speed it up by 300%. So this is 3 times the normal speed. And one thing you might notice about our chat room is we don't allow any off-topic discussion between 9 AM and 4 PM Eastern time, so pretty much market hours. And what this means is if you're trading from work or if you miss a little bit of the action, you don't have to scroll through a bunch of chatter to get the key alerts. We've got a little bit of a rule. You know, people don't need to be right all the time, but if your alert doesn't have the ability to be able to at least make someone money, then we ask that you don't post it in the room. And that keeps the level of discussion pretty professional and mature. Whereas in some of the other chat rooms, people are always complaining about borrows or going crazy about losses. We don't accept that kind of discussion in our room. As you can see, Nate continues to call out what he's doing in the room. He's filling some more shares of that Facebook, picking up the dips and selling the rips, and he's waiting on CSIQ and QIHU to start working themselves out. And as you can see here posting in black, we've got Trader 530 in our room. He's also known as Mark Flowchatter on Twitter. A lot of people follow him because he's first to the market with the news. Sold that pop on Facebook for another nice little gain, another 340 bucks there. And Nate continuously warns people, you know, we've had a relatively strong few days of selling in the market. So given the volatility, it's important to lock in profits along the way and protect your gains. But right now, if you have a look in that top right hand corner box, all of Nate's trades are turning green. The market's starting to bounce and he'll probably be looking to lock in some more profits along the way. We're only 9 minutes into the trading session and Nate's already up around $2,000, some realized, some unrealized. Nate goes over the foundations of how to trade like this in his DVD, Textbook Trading. You can't expect to learn how to trade from these YouTube videos. You really need that solid foundation of core information on how to trade like him. The DVD's 8 hours, it's 11 chapters, and he goes over his longs, his shorts, OTC trading, how he prepares his scans, how he prepares in the morning, what brokers to use, how to trade with the software, pretty much everything that he does in a trading day. As you can see, he's starting to exit some more of his positions, locking in gains along the way. And this morning's turning out to be pretty nice for Nate. I've been spending a little bit of time talking to people in the community who've been looking to sign up, and also existing members in our Investors Underground community, just to find out what people really want to be able to bridge that gap of knowledge between, a new trader or a trader with some experience who's looking to learn a little bit more and be able to sharpen their returns and, I guess, elevate their trading to a level of success such as Nate's. If you want to chat to me about either the best way for you to get started, or if you just want me to send you the unadvertised deals that I have available to me in terms of discounts to the Investors Underground community, or the DVD textbook tradings, drop me an email. I'm at cam@investorsunderground.com. It looks like Nate's starting to wrap up his morning and he's starting to reduce his positions. So that's pretty much all we've got time for from today. But we've got a bunch of exciting things happening over the next couple of months that you should really stay tuned to. So make sure you follow Nate on Twitter, you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and drop me an email. I'm here to help and get you pointed in the right direction. This has been Cam for Investors Underground. Good luck trading.